All right, Thai learners, we've done a lot of good lessons so far, and we've kept each lesson less than 5 minutes so it's easier to understand. We've learned a lot so far. Let's see if we can remember them all. Aw, ah, eh, a. Let's see if I can remember them from memory. E, oo, o. Now, we're going to do something a little different. This chart, this might give a clue. Think about it. All of the sounds that we've worked on so far have been, you guessed it, vowels. Now we're going to put the vowel sounds with consonants, and we're going to create syllables, right? Here, let's try this. Remember that first character? Aw. Put it next to the letter B, you get ba, ba. Very good. Now, you keep going all the way down, ba, ka, da, fa, all the way with every single consonant. And you practice the sounds, the syllables. Now we're building a little more, one lesson on top of another to create sound. Ba. Let's move on to another. Ba, ba, ka, da, fa, ga. All the way to letter Z or Z. All right. And you keep going. Let's see if you can remember this one. Ba, ba, or la, right there. What if I made it a little more complicated? Say, or ni, ku. Is it a little tough? It might be, or maybe not. But if you can practice, and here's a little trick. Maybe you can create flashcards, or if you're tech savvy, create an app, or work with a friend, and practice putting all the consonants and all the vowels together with the correct Thai symbol. What do you think? Think you can do it? How about a quick little something? Da, ra. Oh, here's one. Let's get the correct marker for this. This one is really tough. Ju, ju. Remember that one? You put the E and the oo together, but you keep your mouth the same. Ooh, ju. Ooh, this will make a funny sound. Goo. This is a great way to practice the sounds, putting the vowels that we've already learned plus the consonants together to get a fundamental foundation of the Thai language. These 10 lessons will help you on your way to mastering Thai. Now, I've got an extra bonus lesson if you're ready for it. If not, keep practicing on all these sounds, and I'll see you around next time.